Jury selection begins Monday in the state trial of two former Minneapolis police officers charged in the death of George Floyd.
Tu Thao and J. Alexander King are charged with aiding and abetting murder and manslaughter. Both turned down a plea deal from the state. Experts expect that this trial will be much different from Derek Chauvin's trial. He was convicted of murdering George Floyd. WCCO's Reg Chapman spoke with our legal expert about what we can expect come Monday.
What you won't see during the trial are the sights and sounds of what happens inside the courtroom. No cameras are allowed, limiting the public from seeing the court process. Joe Tamburino is a criminal defense attorney not affiliated with this case. He believes it will take time to seat a jury.
And that's why they did a jury questionnaire. The questionnaire is pretty extensive, just like in the Chauvin case, and they're going to be asking the potential jurors about what they know about this case, what they've read about it, seen, anything like that, so they can try to weed out the potential jurors who really couldn't be fair in the case.
Tamburino says once seated, jurors will listen to a long list of witnesses.
The witness list on both sides is voluminous. But, you know, there's some very powerful witnesses in the Chauvin trial, and we'll see if they reappear in this trial.
Derek Chauvin was convicted of murder and sentenced to 21 years in prison for killing George Floyd. Thomas Lane took a plea deal and is serving 2 years for his role. Thao and King rejected a plea deal. All four former Minneapolis police officers were found guilty of violating George Floyd's civil rights in federal court. All have been sentenced and are doing federal time behind bars. Tamburino believes the state's case against Thao and King will be harder to prove.
But this case is really different. This case is about aiding and abetting. What the prosecutor has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt is that Mr. King and Mr. Thao intentionally knew what they were doing when they were aiding Mr. Chauvin, that they knew he was committing a crime.
Tamburino does expect to hear both sides question witnesses as to what they said in federal court. It's called prior consistent, inconsistent statements. He also believes jurors will hear from both Thao and King.
Because look at the federal case where defendants testified. And I think in this case, what's to lose? Get their story out, go in front of the jury.
Jury selection begins Monday morning. It's expected to take 2 weeks, with the trial beginning November 7th. Reg Chapman, WCCO 4 News.
Tamburino thinks first thing Monday morning, Judge Cahill will hear motions objecting to his limitations on public access to the trial and courtroom. WCCO will be in the courtroom starting Monday, and we'll have the very latest on TV and online as the trial continues.